How to delete your story on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your story on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go here on your profile icon. As you see, click on it, and as you see, you will see here, click here, and now you will see delete. Click on it, and if you don't want to delete your story, just click cancel. And that's how to delete your story on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like a video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching till the end.